A very good morning to you all. Hello, my dear students. Today we will start. Today we will start the demerits of democracy that we were doing the chapter. What is democracy and why democracy? In previous video we have discussed about the forms of government, that is monarchy, dictatorship, military rules and democracy, and we have also discussed about the features of democracy. Now we will discuss about the demerits of democracy. First demerit is instability, means leaders keep on changing in democracy, which leads to instability. After every 5 years there are elections, leaders are changed, they do not know about the people, so there is instability in democracy. Second is democracy is all about political competition and power play. There is no scope for morality. All leaders are running behind the political party and to take the power in their hands, and there is no morality. And third one is so many people are consulted in democracy that leads to delay. If there is need of immediate decision, but in democracy there will always be delay because so many people are consulted before taking any decision. Fourth one is leaders do not know the best interest of the people. It leads to bad decision. Leaders do not know about the problems of the people, so they take decision according to their views, which leads to bad decision. And fifth is ordinary people do not know what is good for them. They should not decide anything because ordinary people do not know about the political system, about the policies of the government, so they cannot decide anything. So these are the demerits of the democracy, and now we will discuss about the arguments in favor of democracy. So first argument is accountable government. In a democracy, a government always be accountable for the people, because if a government do anything, then government should answer the questions of the people, because it represents the needs of the people. In simple words, we can also say that democracy is for the people. It is an accountable government. And second is based on consultation and discussion. A government is democracy is based on the consultation and discussion. As such, many mistakes are corrected in time. If there is any mistake by the government, with the consultation and discussion, the government correct their mistakes. And third argument in favor of the democracy is deals with differences. Our country is of is diversity of languages, religions, caste and creeds. Still, our government, our democracy is the best method of dealing with the differences and conflicts. It suits the needs of many countries like India, because there is diversity in many things. And fourth one is political equality. Political equality means democracy is based on the political equality because it ensures equal rights both for rich and poor, educated and uneducated. So we have discussed about arguments in favor. First was accountable government. Second was based on consultation and discussion. Third is deals with differences, and fourth is political equality. demerits of democracy, arguments in favor of democracy. These are very important questions. And now third question is rulers and ruled both are responsible for making of an ideal democracy. Justify by giving reasons. Means government and the people both are responsible for making an ideal democracy. We have to justify by giving their reasons. So let's start. The fate of the country depends not just on what the rulers do, but mainly on what we as citizens do. Means not only government but people have to work together. Then our fate, then fate of the country depends both of the government and people. Second is, in a democracy, every citizen must be able to play equal role in decision making. All citizens should, all citizens must be able to play equal role in decision making. And third is, what we do as citizens can make a difference to making our government more or less democratic. So, people are and government both can play an important role in making a democracy ideal. So my dear friends, that's all for today. We will continue this chapter in next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.